welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but hey girl, hey. Today I'm here with a decorating slash home decor slash recently I got some LED daylights installed into my makeup room. It literally gives the room a completely different look. Before, my room was kind of dull, so I would always use my vanity mirror for my main source of white light. Now I don't have to do that anymore, you guys. I'm so excited. I have great lighting. With that being said, I had to get everything taken out of my room because when you're installing these can lights, it just makes a huge mess. I thought, why not film a video of me, you know, redecorating my room, because I'm definitely redecorating it. I'm hanging up a bunch of floral decor. I have a lot of new plants and stuff that I want to put in there. My LED sign came, and so the room itself is like super tiny, but it's perfect for just sitting down filming videos. And so I'm going to try to the best of my ability to decorate it, and I want to bring you guys along with me so that you guys can see all the cool items that I have. All right, y'all, so when you walk in the door, this is what you'll see. Looking to your right, there's me, Team Too Thick. What you see, the room is really empty. It's kind of echoey. I didn't have to take that down. These are like shower curtains on the floor that I just kind of covered up my furniture with that was too big for me to move. As you can see, I kind of brought some more of my makeup and stuff back in here, and then this is it. This is just the empty wall right here. Here's my light switch. But yeah, this is the room right here. So we have a lot of work to do because I actually had to move out a lot of stuff. I have command hooks, y'all. I have the whole shebang. So right now I'm gonna set you guys up on my tripod, and I'm gonna kind of clean the room as is now. What I'm trying to say is I'm just gonna take out all the trash that has somehow worked its way in here after the lights were installed. But as you guys can see, the lighting is great. It's so bright, and really the camera doesn't even do justice because it's like blinding me, honestly. And this is like with my window closed, like no type of sunlight whatsoever. Look at his shoes, y'all. So cute. I blinged him out with Swarovski crystals. He's so cute.
So tonight you should go and take a chance where she could be everything.
Okay, y'all, so I am going to resume decorating tomorrow morning. Right now I'm about to go to bed, girl, because I am motherfucking tired, honey, and these lashes are coming off. And really quickly, I wanted to show you guys my LED sign. It's so freaking cute. I got it custom made and it says Mila Simone. Y'all, how freaking cute is that? That is so freaking cute, y'all. Okay, good night. Hey guys, so it is the next day and we made lots of progress last night. Actually, the room is looking so good. I wanted to show you guys this mirror. It's from Vanity Impressions, and really quickly, you guys, it's just so freaking cool. It's dirty right now, so don't mind it. I need to clean it off with a Windex, with a paper towel. But this is how you turn it on. It's touchscreen. You do it like that to turn it on. And I love doing my freaking makeup in this mirror. Like, it's just so bright, it's so crispy, and it's so clear. Like, I love it. If you want it to be yellow, that's the yellow light bulbs. It has like these big old bulbs around it, y'all. But you can make it yellow, you can make it like a blue light. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like the white light better, yeah. Or you can turn it down, so you can hold your finger on this part to turn it all the way down, and it's like that. Or you can turn it up like so. Oh, my camera has to adjust. It's so freaking bright. I got 3 packs of these butterflies right here. These are really, really freaking cute. Can y'all see that? Okay, so I got 3 packs of these butterflies right here, and these are really, really cute. And how these work is it comes with like this little, don't look at my nails, y'all. I need to get my nails done severely bad. My nail tech has just been like really booked, and I refuse to go and let anybody else do my nails. But how it works is like you twist it around stuff and it basically stays. These red roses over here on my do what you love sign, I actually ordered those from Amazon. You probably can't tell, but those roses are completely different from the roses on my mirror. Fortunately, I was able to get them, you know, where they look kind of similar to one another, but they are completely different. Okay, so originally the theme for this room was supposed to be red, white, and green. I got a pink LED sign because I wanted to incorporate some pinks in here as a pop of color. I definitely wanted to add some accent pieces on the wall.
Everything you wanted, boy. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip away. Don't let that love stay. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip now. Don't let that love. Don't let that get away. Don't let that slip now.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Oh my god. Oh my, that looks, don't push it on too far. It looks like a garden.
Push it like this.
Bring it up, yeah, you know, like, yeah, so it don't be pushing on.
That
That's cute. That's cute, baby.
I want to kind of line up.
Yeah, I know, with the cabinet. Yeah,
like that. Here's the room so far. I wasn't able to get 3 vines on that side, although I do have an extra one. So what I was gonna do instead was in that empty space over here to the far right, I was gonna put these butterflies in that space, or I put the butterflies above Mila Simone, or I can put the butterflies on this empty wall. So where to put it?
Tonight you should go and take a chance where she could be everything you wanted, everything you wanted.
I feel like my room is one step closer to being fully completed. I still have some miscellaneous things that I need to make space for in my Alex drawers. I also have a few pictures I want to hang on this wall right here, the one I was showing you guys that was empty. I have some pictures I want to hang on that wall. Also, I have a rug that I'm trying to figure out if I want to put that down or not. And then I also have a coat rack. It's like a little blinged out silver coat rack. You have to nail it to the back of the door or a wall or something. Probably get somebody to hang that on my closet door for me. These are the miscellaneous things I was telling you guys about that I have to find space in my Alex drawer to store. I have a few mirrors down there, and then I have like some makeup brushes, dirty makeup sponges I need to wash tomorrow, and some makeup containers, my camera, my phone, my Beats pill. I filmed me putting up these new decorations, but for whatever reason, I guess the footage got lost on my SD card. Bummer, I know, but I just want to show you guys the things that I added in the room. So I did go ahead and put down this white rug. Definitely not something I plan on keeping down on the ground, only because it's white and it was so expensive. And it only takes somebody as clumsy as myself to drop a single eyeshadow brush on the floor and it's a wrap. If you come over here, I also purchased a lamp. It's so freaking cute, you guys. I think this matches my table. It's literally like the exact same thing. I think they complement one another perfectly. The last thing I did to my room is hung up fairy lights. These are so cute, you guys. I just put command hooks at the top of my wall and I hung them up. They are 10 feet wide, so they cover this end of my wall all the way down there, and they are so cute. You can put them on like different settings and stuff. So this is the final look. So that brings this video to an end. I hope you all enjoyed watching me decorate my room. I had so much fun, you guys. I'll definitely be filming more videos like this because I do plan on remodeling my bedroom as well. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss another video, honey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.